Hey YouTube, welcome again to another one of those auto show. I changed my YouTube name, so right now is Major Tasia. Yeah, so Major Tasia Auto Show. Today I'm gonna show you how to patch a tubeless tire. I'm gonna show you what's in my tire. So I found the leak right here in my tire. The stone fucked up my brand new 1-year-old tire. Haven't even been running that. So now I'm gonna use this patch kit. This patch kit I just got from Part Source, and take that out. Take out the stone from out the tire and plug it. So firstly, let's get down to it. I'm gonna have to use this jagged edge tool to take that out, right? Don't know how good this is, but there's my big hole that the stone fucked up right there. You guys can see it. So right now I'm gonna plug it, probably with 2 fucking plug. So I got a piece of thing to plug the tire. So I don't know if you could see this. Push it in right there. Yep. That should stop it. Yeah, should I go down some more? As you can see right now, tire plug. Now what you're hearing is my air compressor right there. Now we're gonna put back air in it and then test it again to see if it's leaks. Okay. We are going to do the water test. There you see, no bubbles.
So that just stays like that?
Yep, it will go down once it's driving on it. No bubbles. Which means perfectly patched.